Good afternoon students, welcome to our maths class. Today we start the same exercise 3.5 third question. Solve 8x power 3 by 2n minus 8x power minus 3 by 2n is equal to 63. To solve this equation, we find the x value. So you can first take 8 as a common. Here also 8, here also 8. So you can take 8 as a common. If we take 8 as a common, we can get x power 3 by 2n minus x power minus 3 by 2n is equal to 63. Then our next step 8 x power 3 by 2n minus, I will write x power minus 3 by 2n. I will write 1 by x power 3 by 2n. Here x power minus 3 by 2n, I will write 1 by x power 3 by 2n is equal to 63. Next you can cross multiplication. So x power 3 by 2n into x power 3 by 2n. You can write x power 3 by 2n the whole square, cross multiplication, minus 1 divided by x power 3 by 2n, and get to this side. Here divided, go to this side, you can change into multiplication. Here you can cross multiplication, x power 3 by 2n, x power 3 by 2n, x power 3 by 2n the whole square, minus 1 by x power 3 by 2n. This goes to this side, it into multiplication. Therefore 63 into x power 3 by 2n. Next you can multiply 8 into x power 3 by 2n the whole square, minus 8, here plus, come to this side, you can write minus 63 x power 3 by 2n is equal to 0. I will take y is equal to x power 3 by 2n. I will take y is equal to x power 3 by 2n. I am taking this y, so you can write 8 y square minus 63 y minus 8 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation, 8 8s are 64 minus 64. If we solve this quadratic equation, we can get the factor 8y plus 1 into y minus 8 is equal to 0. P equal to 0, 8y plus 1 equal to 0, then 8y is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Here you are getting 0, y minus 8 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 8. Here we are getting two y values, one of the values 8, another value is y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Here you can substitute y values. First I am substituting y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 means x power 3 by 2n is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8, then x power 3 by 2n is equal to 8. You can write x power 3 by 2n, I will write x power 1 by 2n, 1 by 2n the whole cube. I am changing into x power 3 by 2n, you can write x power 1 by 2n the whole power 3, we come to 3 by 2n. So I will write 3x power 1 by 2n the whole power 3. I will write 2, you can write 2 cube. So I will write 8, I am writing 2 cube. So power base power equal, so base also equal, therefore x power 1 by 2n, another power cancel, then x power 1 by 2n is equal to 2. This is fraction 1 by 2 power, this goes to this side, it is multiplication, therefore x power 2 into 2 power, it is division, go to multiplication power, so x is equal to 2 power 2n. So 2 2s are, so 2 square means 4, therefore x is equal to 4 power n. X is equal to 4 power n. Here 3 cancel, x power 1 by 2n is equal to 2, and we need only x. You can raise to the power on the side, you can change into 2 power 2n. So you can 2 2s are, so 2 square 4, therefore x is equal to 4 power n. The next y value is y is equal to minus 1 by 8. I am substituting x power 3 by 2n is equal to minus 1 by 8. Once again I will write x power 1 by 2n the whole cube is equal to, in minus 1 by 8 I will write minus 1 by 2 the whole cube. You can check it. Minus 1 the whole cube is equal to minus 1. 1 cube 1, 2 cube is 8. So you can write minus 1 by 8. I have replaced minus 1 by 2 the whole cube. So 3 cancel. Then x power 1 by 2n is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here this goes to this side. You can get x is equal to minus 1 by 2 the whole power 2n. Suppose minus 1 by 2, you can take the 2 in inside. So minus 1 square pound, you can get plus simple. So 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4. So you can write 1 by 4 power n. Here it can come to n. 1 power n is 1. So anything power n. So 1 power n means n. You can give any value for n, we can get 1. Once again I am telling minus 1 the square, we can get plus 1, then 2 square 4. So 1 by 4 the whole power n. To come to, we bring the power to inside, 1 power n is 1. Then divided 4 power n. Therefore we get x equal to 1 by 4 power n. But it is not possible. X value is 1 by 4 power n is not possible. The reason is here. I will substitute x is equal to 1 by 4 power n. It is not possible. Why? The reason is I will substitute x value is 1 by 4 power n. What happening? So here x is 8 into x power 3 by 2n minus 8 into x power minus 3 by 2n. I will substitute x value is 1 by 4 power n, the whole power 3 by 2n minus 8, x I am substituting 1 by 4 power n, the whole power minus 3 by 2n. Here 1, you can take any power, it should be 1. So come to this, I will take the power on inside. So 4 power n, the whole power 3 by 2n minus once again 1 by 4 power n, the whole power minus 3 by 2n. Here 4 power n, I will write 2 n. So I will write 4 power n, I will write 2 into 2 power n. The whole power 3 by 2. So 2n cancel. So we can get 2 cube. 2 cube is 1 by 2 cube. Here 1 in the numerator. Here I am changing 2 power 2n. The whole power 3 by 2n means 2 and 2n cancel. So 2 cube. So 1 by 2 cube. So here the value is 2 cube. The value is 2 cube. Here minus. So here minus. So minus means so you can 2 cube. You can go to the numerator. So here the value is 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube. Here the minus. So you get plus 8. Here plus 8. So you go to the numerator. 1 by 2 cube. Here get 1 divided by divide. We get 2 cube. Here is a minus. So you can get numerator. We get 8. Here this is the denominator. Denominator is simplified. We can get 2 cube. Here also the denominator. But here minus. So the 8 goes to the numerator. So 2 cube goes to the numerator. Numerator 2 cube value is 8. That's why I am writing here numerator 8. Here the denominator is 8. Here the numerator is 8 because minus. So here 2 cube value is 8. So 8 cancel. So you get 1. 8 8 are 64. 1 minus 64 is equal to minus 63. Here question given is 63 plus 63. Here getting is minus 63. Therefore it is not possible. Here now it is not possible. Therefore the only x value is 4 power n. This is only, it is not important. It is just you know how it is not impossible. That's why I am solving this one. It is no need in the examination. So therefore it is not possible. X is equal to 4 power n. Once I am telling this 2 power 2n, 2n cancel, you can get 1 by 2 cube. So here the value is 2 power 2 cube. Here the minus, so you can go to the numerator. So in your denominator 8, here the numerator is 8 because of the minus. So if you solve this, you can get minus 63. Here the question is plus 63. Therefore it is not possible. Therefore the only x value is x is equal to 4 power n. Next question number 4. Solve 2 into square root of x by a plus 3 into square root of a by x is equal to b by a plus 6a by b. To solve, you can find x values. Here also I am taking y is equal to square root of x by a. I am taking y is equal to square root of x by a. So I replace 2 into y. 2y plus 3. Here I am taking y is equal to square root of x by a. Here square root of a by x. So it is reciprocal. So you write 1 by y. You take 1 by y. So I write 3 by y. Once again, here I am taking y equal to x, square root of x by a. Here square root of a by x. Therefore reciprocal. So y means square root of a by x is 1 by y. Therefore here 3. So you can write 3 by y is equal to b by a plus 6a by b. In cross multiplication, 2y into y, 2y square plus 3 by y is equal to cross multiplication b square plus 6a square by ab. Once again, you can cross multiplication 2ab y square plus 3ab is equal to b square y plus 6a square y. You can take this side. So 2ab y square minus 6a square y plus 3ab minus b square y is equal to 0. Here 2, here also 2 common, here also 2. So I will take 2. Here also a, here also a, here also y, here also y. So I am taking 2ay as a common. The first two terms I am taking 2ay is common. 2ay is common means remaining b, here y square, so 1y is taken, so therefore we get by minus 2 common, so we can get 3, a also common, so y also common, so we can get 3a. Therefore 2ay will take common, we can get by minus 3a. Here I am taking minus b as a common. So minus b as a common means it changes into plus. Here only I am taking minus b, so 1b is remaining, so we can get plus by. Here I am taking minus b, here plus b. So if you take minus b as a common, you can get minus 3a. Here I am taking minus b, therefore you change into minus 3a is equal to 0. Here also by minus 3, here also by minus 3. If you take common as by minus 3 is taken as a common, here get 2ay minus b. Therefore 2ay minus b into by minus 3a is equal to 0. Equating 0. So 2ay minus b is equal to 0. 2ay is equal to b. We need y, so y is equal to b by 2a. Here equating this, by is equal to 3a, then y is equal to 3a by b. Here also we get two y values. So so here also two cases. First I am substituting. I will take y is equal to square root of x by a. So I am substituting y is equal to b by 2a. b by 2a. Therefore square root of x by a is equal to b by 2a. First I remove the square root. So I remove square root means I will take square on both sides. If we take square on both sides, square root square cancel. We can get x by a is equal to a square. So b square by 4a square. I am taking square on both sides. Square root square cancel. We can get x by a. Here taking square means b square. 2a the whole square means 4. 2 square root 4. A square means a square. So b square by 4a square. Taking square on both sides. I need only x. So you can get a square cancel. Finally you can get x is equal to b square by 4a. Here are one of the value. Here two y values. I will substitute case 2. Y is equal to 3a by b. Y is equal to 3a by b. So square root of x by a is equal to 3a by b. Once again I will remove square root. So I will take square on both sides. So square root square cancel. We can get x by a is equal to, if you take square on both sides, so the square 3 square is 9a square. So 9a square here square, you can get b square. If you take the whole square, 3 square 9a square, you can take whole square means so b square. Here cross multiplication, we need only x, so you can cross multiplication a. So x is equal to 9a square into a, 9a cube by b square. Here are the two solutions. One of the solutions is b square by 4a, another solution is 9a cube by b square. These are the two solutions for this equation. Next question, question number 6, same exercise. Question number 6, find all real numbers satisfying 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 is equal to same. Previous concept, same previous concept. Here find all real numbers. If you find the x value should be real number. That's the question asking. If you find the solutions, the solution should be a real number. Find all real numbers satisfying this equation. 4x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0. I am writing the given question. 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0. 4 power x I am writing 2 square. 4 I will write 2 square the whole power x minus 3 into I separated 2 power x into 2 square. I am separated this term 2 power x into 2 square plus 32 is equal to 0. I interchange in power, you can interchange a power m1, you can m into n, you can interchange. So 2 power x the whole square interchange. So 2 power x the whole square minus 2 square value is 4. 4 3s are 12. So minus 12 2 power x plus 32 is equal to 0. Once again I am taking y is equal to 2 power x. Here I am taking y is equal to 2 power x. So I am substituting here. This is y. So here power is square. So I can write y square minus 12. This is y. So minus 12y plus 32 is equal to 0. So you form a quadratic equation. Y square minus 12y plus 32 is equal to 0. The quadratic equation, we solve this. You can solve this quadratic equation. Get the factor is y minus 8, y minus 4 is equal to 0. 8 4s are 32, minus 8 minus plus, minus 8 minus 4, minus 2. So y minus 8, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Equating 0. Y minus 8 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 8. Here you are equating y minus 4 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4. Here also you get 2 y values. Here also you get 2 y values. So the first case I am taking y is equal to 8. I am substituting y is equal to 8. So 2 power x is equal to 8. 8 I will write 2 cube. I will change it to 8. I will replace 8 2 cube. So base same. So power also same. You can write x is equal to 3. Therefore you can get x is equal to 3. Next case 2. The case 2 I am taking y value is 4. So I am substituting here 4. So 2 power x is equal to 4. 2 power x is equal to 4. Then 2 power x is equal to 2 square. 4 I will write 2 square. I will rewrite the 4 as 2 square. So same. So power also same. So x is equal to 2. Therefore x value is 2. So we get two solutions. One of the solutions is x equal to 2. Another solution is x equal to 3. Both are real number. Therefore, the satisfying, find all real numbers satisfying this equation. The two real numbers satisfying the equation. One of the value is 2, another value is 3. Therefore, the solution is x equal to 2 and x is equal to 3.